FL5, 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 FL5. Tommy RSE, Huyo, Type R. I also don't know why I sing this song. It's not even Christmas yet. Okay, but now never mind. Let's just go inside car. Let's start the engine. Oh, mantra. Stimo. Now today in this video actually I already install the exhaust. You also see already my video. Okay, but today never mind lah. Cincai saja lepak. I want to use this change camera. Previously you all see the video I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3, you know. Now today I'm using the call what already Insta360 AcePro2, this camera, which is I always put at right here one. This one, in case many people ask me, I buy at the Taobao La Pole. Okay, so now just now you all see I go inside car that time when I start engine no sound, right? Because this camera chok koi. I use the voice enhancement, so it will record my voice more clearly. Now I switch to the stereo mode, so when I ram and then when I close the aircon, okay, and then I open the aircon, it's more noisy like this. Okay, so now I gonna switch back the voice enhancement, more clear, record my voice more clear. So which is I want to tell you all, if you all are driving with loud exhaust, this camera very keng chao. Let's try and see. I change the voice now. Okay, now it's getting brighter because just now I inside the room your head, the house. So my house got the call what already, awning. In Malay we call it bumbong. Easy, no need susah. And now it's more clearer. The whole video is more clearer. Clear. Wow, my tongue short. Luckily my wife love me. Sometimes I talk also run away, you know. So today in this video, I just want to try the camera, give you all. Recording, I just tell you the full details about whoever that want to play camera lah. Don't know which camera need to choose in between. Nowadays Osmo Action 5, Osmo the call what already the Osmo Pocket 3, and then they still didn't tell yet when to launch the Osmo Pocket 4. I'm waiting, but never mind. The AcePro2, Insta360 AcePro2, all the camera different function, different feeling. This one I'm using the lock profile, lock, eye lock, and then I always use the auto mode, and then I set auto white balance, and then the exposure negative 0.7. You need to more darker a little bit. You cannot give the exposure 0, -3 or +3 cannot. I definitely don't use plus for the exposure. Usually I use -7. For the Osmo Pocket 3, I use -1.3 or 1.7. And then voice enhancement currently I'm using. And then I didn't put in any mic because this is the specialty of this camera. Because every time you watch at YouTube the review about the camera very pek one. They didn't tell you, they show you the camera, which is they holding the camera, they want to review, and then they recording with other camera. You understand what my meaning? So you cannot really tell the difference. You're watching the Sony A7R footage, but they are reviewing the Insta360 AcePro2, the camera. No use like this, where got use one? Like this more chill you driving POV using, want to review this Insta360 AcePro2, then I record with this Insta360 AcePro2 lah. Correct or not? Together with my Malaysian language I pow you all like hampalang all Malaysian, Chinese, Malay, Indian, Kadazan, everyone also no understand this language easy, simple for you all. So you all also watch my part 1 and part 2 the video already, right? The Tommy ISE. So in this video actually it's just a vlog video. I also don't know what title want to put okay, because I just come inside car, suddenly my brain thinking of what to do video with this camera, so I just do. So maybe I write Insta360 AcePro2 footage vlog review. Whatever lah. It's okay lah. I'm just driving. Actually want to heading to my new outlet, which is not vape outlet okay. It's I open F&B. Many people actually also know already. If I don't want let people know also cannot. At the first I was thinking don't want let people know. I open Marrybrown, the franchise. That's why last time, last few months, I went to JB to meeting. I don't want let people know. Also cannot because when I staying there, my car parked there to assist the people do things everyone pass by my friend, everyone also pass by, saw my car. Why everyday park at there? Then I also bo pian. You know what is bo pian? Bo pian is English English. Bo pian is Chinese language, Chinese Hokkien. Hakka is Mao Pin. Bo pian Bo pian is in English. No worry, your head no worry. Doesn't matter. Hey, no. It's okay. Never mind. Like this the meaning Okay, bo pian Hey, is it? Yeah, you all Hokkien people help me translate at below. Or the Malay friend that understand Hokkien translate below. Bo pian is tak boleh buat apa. So I just let people know never mind, it's my one okay. The Marrybrown. But not only my one of course. Got share So expensive don't play. Never mind. I don't want make this video boring I tekan one time first. Only we continue sema again. Okay? Wait still got car. Wait Okay. Sorry guys, cannot tekan a lot of car right here. Okay. So now continue with the topic. Never mind, later in this video I'll show you the Marrybrown, the place, how it looks like. Got 2 story at the bottom and at the upstairs is at the petrol station. Okay, never mind, I show you. So now I'm driving heading there. It's just that this video is not only just a vlog video. Hopefully you all will get knowledge I just tell you all some story. See, got review camera, got funny speaking with you all. Another thing is how to grow your own business. First thing everyone looking at me like very easy, just wondering, keep wondering. Because a lot of people, they earn money, they don't tell you. They don't do video, they are not vloggers. So I'm a vlogger. So you all keep see me post my car, feel of my car, and then just wondering what am I doing. See me like very simple, easy. Okay, the truth is I earn money from business because everyone also need to take time to do business So this business is not like today you want tomorrow you can get money. So you don't tak siok me, I don't tak siok everyone. The most important thing that I already tell a lot of people at my video before, when they ask me, smile, happiness, the most important thing the third thing, be good to everyone. Okay, these 3 things smile. The second thing is what I forget. Always smile guys. Don't make enemy with everyone. So you go anywhere, you also can get a lot of friends. Your fans also become your friends. Alun. Sorry I passed by my friend shop, the foreman. Malaysia we call foreman. Usually we call foreman. At the outstation, overseas, other country they call it mechanic, but we just used to call it foreman. But I Google actually got foreman this one, Last time my wife laughed at me, He asked why you call foreman one, not mechanic man. She always laughed at me. I said got one foreman, you go search and see. And then the traffic light also at our Malaysia people especially at Sungai Petani this Penang area, Northern last time all this auntie uncle all this traffic light they call it what stop logo. Stop logo. When I say that time sometimes I also shy, A lot of people laugh at me, but they don't understand. UK they also using stop logo Malaysia don't know. Traffic light, stop logo. Besides than that, okay, let's talk about how to grow your business. It takes around more than 10 years, okay, from you all. If you all know me, start from I do salon. First I do salon. I'm a hairdresser. I cut my own hair sometimes. Okay, I cut a lot of people's hair already. I was a hairdresser for 11 years okay. But in the half when I doing hairdresser that time, my part-time job actually is videographer and photographer. That time I keep saving, save until I got 2,000 something, and then 3,000 I think something like this I go buy one camera, which is a DSLR. By that time, a lot of people ask me why you don't buy iPhone 3GS. So when they upgrade to iPhone 3GS, iPhone 4 that time, I'm still using DSLR, but my mobile phone, stupid Sonic Ericsson's mobile phone, but I got a DSLR. So a lot of people laughing at me, didn't change phone, didn't follow the trend. I can get my experience and knowledge start from early. So I keep shooting, I go everywhere. I also bringing a DSLR. After that, I slowly learn about the photography, and then change to videography. And then after that, slowly got people wedding, they will ask me to go shoot. So I got 2 jobs. For my photography, I just use around 3 months to 4 months to learn myself with YouTube about the shutter speed, ISO, white balance, aperture, all the lens, wide angle. But never mind, let's skip ahead. After that, every day just keep working only. So end up, I open a YouTube, but my YouTube that time is no people see one, no people watch at all. Most of the YouTube is based on funny videos and singing, my own self singing stupid song like this. After that, many years, I start explore with new things, which is e-cigarette vape. By that time, I already play car already. Okay, by that time, I already used to play car already. And then I try to do some videos. I make it simple lah. After that, I open shop, then I open shop, and then open shop, I do videos. I open shop, open another shop, then I close my hair salon. Close down hair salon, I don't do hair anymore. Then I keep do my own videos. The camera last time used to do wedding and also event and also car event video. Now all the video is record myself. All the camera is record myself. Last time is record people, now record my own self lor. So start from them, you generate income, business, your own business, okay. And then vape shop, you already train all the people. You got a manager, you got an area manager, you got a supervisor, you got a runner, and then you can run. Not means run okay. They can handle, you teach them to handle. Then slowly all the pekerja, all the workers, you teach them. Then you can do outside your own things again. So they will generate the income like this lah. And then after that, very simple. Your head simple. You all think simple. You all see me simple. I where got simple My strength, I have no strength. I tell you all guys Beside than doing business I still need to record video, give you all watching and then YouTube still didn't pay me money, and then you all still didn't support my wishlist project t-shirt I'm about to come got lah, but a lot of people watching this video my wishlist project t-shirt links down below. That's where I earn money from you all lah. You all understand? Because YouTube don't pay me money. My YouTube sometimes short one. That's I earn money from you all lah. The t-shirt, support my t-shirt only I make you all happy. You all make me happy back okay. Just like this the story. So if you all want to listen about another story business actually I tell you all until now I still not yet success one. You see me success, I see you success. It's very simple like this. Most important thing is saving, investment, and then always keep smiling with everyone. Now I'm gonna show you my place. Let's go, the Marrybrown, okay? Let's go. This is the shop guys. So basically it's up and down 2 floor. Today is the day that, sorry just now the video inside my car I'm mumbling too much. If you all don't like me talking too much actually you all can comment below. Next time I don't talk too much. If you all like me talking too much, you feel funny, just comment below. Okay, now I show you I show you a bit. Hey, hi boys, how are you? Basically is you order right here, can sit. Upstairs also can sit. Right here we got a drive-through. Actually it's the most biggest at Sungai Petani lah. Not biggest lah. Actually some other place still got biggest, but it's Sungai Petani quite okay lor like this project. So the car is gonna come from the belakang here, here, and then take order right here. Right there, take order right here. Got the telecom tit for your order. Come here, and then here take your food. But remember to pay money lah, because it returns right here. Bayar and ambil di sini. Didn't pay then straight chow. Chicken, and then today they start to washing inside. Sorry. Nah, I kick my own car, see? Stupid. And then I go say sorry. I slowly bring you all go up. Aku nak naik. Jap.
Balik atas ni.
Apa dia?
Balik atas kan.
Weh, basah.
Cuma dia besi tu kan.
Ha?
Dia pegang besi.
Besi?
Ha.
Besi apa?
Besi tangga tu.
Besi? Ada besi? Mana ada besi? Oh, cat tangga. Okay. Wait. Let's go up. Ayam ah? Nugget? Nugget dah? So right here we can let the kids sit down right here, play like this, sit down here on top, and then eat at the upstairs right here. You can see your car right here from the top. Okay, so ada menu yang baru lah dekat opening kan, kanjong chicken yang baru punya. So pekerja-pekerja semua tengah briefing dekat belakang.
Oi, dia tak nak jadi.
Rider.
Hello.
Tengah get ready nak set up semua barang. Ada dua post system nak order senang sikit. Menu. Ada ice cream, sundae, twist, chocolate dip. Tengah get ready lah, get ready. So harap korang boleh main support sikit kalau ada lalu Sungai Petani kan. Lalu Sungai Petani, main pam minyak dia. Petron, main pam minyak. Lepas tu nak beli rokok ke apa-apa ke, you want to buy anything, Imat 24, the mat lah, okay. And then got Marrybrown. So however, right now is the time 6:35 PM. I'm still using the same setting. This one, Insta360 AcePro2. The exposure is negative 0.7 only. The exposure, if you compare to the Osmo Pocket 3, the exposure more keng chao. That one, if the same time like this, I always use negative 1.3 or negative 1.7. But for the Insta360 AcePro2, negative 0.7. So you must lower the contrast, lower the sunlight a bit, lower the exposure a bit. Only you will get the nice footage. It's a flat profile lah, iLock. And then I'm using recording with iLock. And then when editing that time, I just throw in the LUT preset. So actually, by the way, when you first purchase this camera, actually the screen right here, when you're recording, you see the screen right here. It's not very clear, but when you put inside editing that time, it's okay one. I'm currently recording 4K 30 frames per second, which is this camera actually can go up to 8K, but is unnecessary. Okay guys, one last thing I want to give you some tips. If you facing problem when you upload video not clear, the main thing is sometimes you put in too much color preset. You adjust too many color. The clarity, the exposure, the white balance, and then the temperature, you adjust too much, and then it will crash. So recommend you don't simply go to touch a lot. If it's at the middle, you cannot, you just simply adjust a bit. You don't pull until very dark or very bright. The contrast, adjust many, no need. It will crash your video. Okay.